Hey friends, if you wish to allow VPN over metered connection and while roaming on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. But here's one thing I want you to know, that if you are using a metered connection, mostly you would be doing it in case you have limited data, and if you allow your VPN over a metered connection, it will bypass that metered data. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select VPN. There are two switches here. The first one is to allow VPN over metered networks. The second one is to allow VPN while roaming. Both of these are checked by default. This means that VPN is actually allowed over metered connections and while roaming by default. So you need to turn these off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.